today we are doing, not me, today we're doing the Halloween balloon pop slime challenge. So what we're gonna have to do, so I'm gonna explain what the Halloween pop slime challenge is. So all you get is you need a balloon and you need slime ingredients and stuff like that. And you need scissors. Yeah?
I'll show you.
If you can pop it with your teeth, you can pop it with your teeth, but it can go in your mouth. Okay, so we can pick 3 scary or cute or disgusting slime ingredients and 1 glue. So before we start, don't forget subscribe and click the bell. Alice, so let's get started. Okay. Who goes first? Rock, paper. Alice cheating. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No! I gotcha.
Okay, Alice, pick one of the big balloons because they have slime, glues in. I'll hold these.
Oh, it's so heavy.
So heavy.
Pop, 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 pop,
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one.
I'm so scared.
This one's so good! I got water on myself.
How did you get me?
No.
Please. Happy Halloween.
I'll help you in a minute.
You're not.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh,
Purple. Let's see this cute.
wow. Oh, it's so heavy.
It's freezing cold. Ah, it's freezing cold.
Let me put it
Ah,
in
it's
the bin.
freezing cold.
Should I help you, Alice?
Yeah, help me.
Because you're gonna explode it. You just cut this off. This ponytail off. Cut the ponytail. Right there. No! Yeah. Not there. Yeah. Grab my scissors, Alice.
I did it. I did it. I did it. Orange glue!
Orange glue.
Orange glue, that's
You can
all.
squeeze that out. I'll get my wipe to wipe my hand off. Because I have orange glue on it. Okay, so we don't need these balloons now.
Keep on the table.
Yeah, keep them on the table. Okay,
I'm
I'm
gonna put this in the bin.
purple's my lucky colour, so I'm just wait. Alice, it's your first. It's your turn. Which one? No, that one's my lucky one. What is it?
Ooh, nice. I'm not gonna pop it there.
Pop it.
Yeah.
Just go for it, Alice. Wow.
Now I have
Alice has only an orange slime. Well, as purple's my lucky colour, I'm going to go for this one.
Ah.
I have to go for it.
Then we need to go for blue.
Ah!
Alice, pick next.
Okay. This one, little one. I'll be fine.
I got skulls. Look. It's my head. Huh? Look. My head. Huh? Alice, that's a good job. You got loads of it now.
Yeah, I do.
It's like a squishy. You might
I
need-
can't get it.
Oh, you might need to do this. Look.
No, click there. There. Yeah.
Whoa, what is this? I want this. Oh, I touched the glue. I was like, I'm just gonna squeeze this.
Do one more round.
Okay, Alice, which one do you pick? That one. Wait, I have my first one. Alice, it's my turn now.
Oh, yeah.
Wait. Do I need...
Sorry, Gabi.
No! I don't know what this is. It feels powdery. I think
I'm gonna get this one. Oh!
Exploding on black. Oh, that makes a witch. It's nice colours. Alice, you done your third one, so I'm picking one. What is it? Oh, you have cute little bats. Look at them. Bats. Okay. So I'm picking
One more?
Is this one? Or is this glue? It has the same thingy on it, so
Do we need one more?
right. It's glitter. Hopefully it doesn't explode like black glitter. Boom. What is it? Purple! This is matching perfectly. Okay, so that's all our 3 slime creepy things. One of these has a bad thing. Let's see. Shake them. Ah! Okay, Alice. What's that?
That's black. It's gonna be black.
What's that?
It's a ball.
Chunk.
It's a ball. Chunk of ball.
That?
It's a chunk of ball.
Disgusting.
I need
Oh,
a wiper.
Okay. Put it in the bin, Alice. Wow, this is pretty slime.
Activator.
Pretty.
I put activator
Okay, I
in.
need activator.
Lobę.
What?
Lobę.
A little bit. Yeah, I know, because it's tiny slime. Okay, put it over there.
Look at that.
Okay.
Look
Disgusting.
It's still black. It's
What's
Halloween.
that?
That's Halloween colour. That is Galaxy. Nearly.
That looks like black noodles.
Yeah, because it is. I'm gonna eat it in a minute.
Okay. Well, I need a bit more activator. Okay, so we'll see you in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Our Halloween slimes are ready. Alice, these are rock hard. We're not even gonna play with them. Look,
I'm gonna throw
this
this
slime.
one to bit. Because
Look.
it's too hard. Ow.
Wow.
Look at
We changed the glue, that's why. We changed from Elmer's to Barbie glue.
You see?
Let it be Barbie glue. Okay, we changed to Barbie glue.
Now we're on the
Okay.
next round.
Okay, so Alice, rock, paper, scissors, shoot again. Let's just move the trash can away.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! Okay, so before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Okay, Alice, which one are you picking? That one. So I guess I pick this one. Oh, this one feels so bad. I think it's green.
so difficult.
Or is it
Gary,
whatever?
can you help me first? Oh, I can do it on my own.
No, don't do it. No.
No, don't do it. No.
I will help you. Explosion! 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 Look!
It's dim. Yeah. Oh, that's good, Nana.
You just hold it up.
Let me see it.
Stop. Yay! making a cute song. Come on. Okay. Now you can pull your pear inside. Just Alice. That's the funny thing. It's throwing up.
It's throwing up.
Us is now exploding.
No.
Okay, you can do that rest. I'll do my one.
Gabby, what did you do to my hands?
That's bloody red. Bloody red.
Gabby, I have stick.
It's black, but it's red. It's black, but it's red.
Ew, Gabby, give me. Thank you. More daddy, please. More daddy.
Oh, I want to do that again. But this time on the ghost.
You have black.
I have black. Well, I guess if there's good stuff in here, I can mix it with every single thing.
You have black slime.
I just made it.
Okay.
I just cleaned the carpet. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, Alice, which one are you picking? That one. That's your first one.
Yep.
Can you hold it? There you go.
I'll cut your fingers.
No, don't cut my fingers. You can't cut now.
Wait.
Oh, let's just put it in the bin. Give me. Wow. Okay, I'm feeling a purple balloon because purple's my lucky
One
colour.
more?
Alice, you pick your one.
This one.
I'll just do it under the thingy. There you go. Now it's popped off. Why? What? Why? Alice,
I don't want this one.
it's pink. I saw it coming out. It's a pink explosion. It's a pink explosion. Is it pink or is it purple? Comment down below if it's pink or purple. Okay, Alice, that's enough. Just do it under your bed. Alice. No! You got it again.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah.
Cut your mouth open. Look. It's throwing up now. It's going to be our Halloween slime today. Punch it. Come on. Don't. Okay.
One more?
Don't stick to my fingers. Yeah, but it's first my turn because you already have to.
You have long nails, Gabby.
Okay. What's this?
Get it.
What's
Get
this? What is this?
I'm getting this one.
We have the same thing! Alice, just pop it by yourself. There you go.
I'm doing this.
Okay, what? What is it?
It smells like nails.
Ew! What is that smell?
Okay, I'm gonna pop it like that. Cut the worms first.
What, worms? Worms? It stinks like worms in here.
Mash them.
I got red fish balls. Nice.
That's still.
Okay, this is my third ingredient.
Because
do you know what?
which eats worms? Which eat worms?
Who eats worms? Birds eat worms.
That was not the last one.
That's my ingredient. You have glitter, this thing.
We already
have. I have purple thing and a purple glitter and reddish balls.
And also pink.
What is this? Green!
Get like green.
It's going all over the bin. It's sticking to the bin now. Okay, now just put it on the floor. Okay, let's start mixing our thing, our Halloween slime. Disgusting. Okay, my one's definitely gonna be black. That's the colour. What's that? Alice! What's that? You're not happy about that?
No.
No?
Mm.
No?
I'm not happy about that.
You're not happy?
No.
It looks horrible. Alice, let me try eating one. See, I'm eating it. Yeah, I definitely didn't put anything in the bin. Nothing. Okay. Let's activate on. Okay, as last time we put too much. Done. That's enough. Activator. Mix it. Okay.
I'm gonna chop it. Chop it, chop it.
Okay. It's running away! It's running away! It was running away! What's that? There it is. It was running away from the worms. Okay, so we will see you in 3, 2, 1, boom! Our Halloween slimes are ready! And these are disgusting. We're not even going to play with them.
Because look what's happening with them.
You can't even play with them.
And they put them down.
Well, I guess that one's good, but this one, look.
And look at that
Both of them. Disgusting. We're not even going to play with this. This one's sticky and it's ripping. So we're just not going to play with them. We might fix them in the future. Maybe. That's just a maybe. Maybe. Okay, so I'm not even going to play with them, so I'm just going to put them here.
Yep.
I hope you enjoyed this Halloween video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Bye!